Today you're going to be drawing a picture of a fish. All of these are parts of the fish. Let's turn it right side up. All of these are parts of the fish. So you're going to go to each one and do what it says next to it. So translate by the vector 12, negative 15. This is x, this is y. So I'm going 12 right, 15 down. So I'm going to start with this point right here. I'm going to go 12 right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, excuse me, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 15 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That was the most tedious thing you've ever watched. Okay. We don't want to have to do that for every single point. So I'm going to say, hey, look, this goes through 1 square, 2 square, and a little bit more. 1 square, 2 square, and a little bit more. From here, we're going through 1 square, 2 squares. 1 square, 2 squares. Up through 2 squares. 1 square, 2 squares. Down through 2 squares. 1 square, 2 squares. This one is the same thing. So go down 1. Right here, that's where we're at. We go up 1, down 2, through 2 squares, up through 2 squares, down through 1, 2, 3 squares. 1, 2, 3 squares. Okay, and now I'm just going to kind of scribble it out so I know it's done. Reflect in the line DE. Okay, so we're reflecting in the line DE. Okay. The easiest way I can see this is I think this is a lot like the line y equals x. So I just kind of drew a quick little coordinate plane here. There's other ways you could do it that might be better, but this is how I did it. And I said, hey, look, this point is negative 2, 1. Well, I know if I'm reflecting it, xy becomes yx. So negative 2, 1 would become 1, negative 2. So my new point is going to be right there. This one is 0, 3. 0, 3 becomes 3, 0. 3 zeros right there. This point right here is negative 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 2, 5 becomes 5, negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 2. And you can kind of see where the other one's going to go. It's going to go right there. And you don't have to continually draw it. Once you can see it, you can stop. So there's part of my fish, and I have done that one, so I'm going to go ahead and cross it off. You're going to go ahead and continue to do all of these. Reflect 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise is the same thing as counterclockwise. It just means opposite. About A. So to do that one, I'm going to put a post-it note, and you can't really see really well, but there's my A, there's my point, there's my point, there's my point. It says rotate 9 degrees anti-clockwise. So clockwise would be this way. Anti-clockwise is this way. Keep that A lined up right there. My new point's going to be right here. So I got it lined up right there. And right there. Double check I got them all lined up. And there's 90 degrees anti-clockwise. About A. That's about A. Don't erase the K. You'll need the K in a minute. Okay? And you're going to continue, and eventually you're going to end up with an entire fish right here in the middle. As you're doing it, be aware that you cross them off as you go. Anti-clockwise means counterclockwise. When it says translate by the vector, the top one is your x, so this would be x plus 12, bottom is your y. And I think that's everything. Good luck. Here's what your final product should look like.